What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage, back to the channel, to our very first episode of Road to ToyotaFest. We're about a month out. Just want to start this video off by saying at the time of recording, we're at 89 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you that decide to tune in, watch me mess with this car, the Matrix, DIY videos. I promise to keep making content. Helps me get over speaking to people, being less socially weird, because I'm kind of introverted at times. Obviously, life stops for no one. We've been pretty busy. We went to Disneyland, celebrated my daughter's 6th birthday party 2 times because we got rained out the first time, so we had another party. Proud to announce my wife and I are going to be expecting our 2nd child. And while we were out in Disneyland, we did a little gender reveal. Found out that we're going to be having a little baby boy. So super juiced to have little mini me running around the garage, helping me out. And of course, we got all this other stuff going on. That car, the Matrix, wants to betray me. The past week and a half, battery light came on. I replaced the battery. Battery light comes on sometimes. So I am not going to risk it. I just ordered a Denso remanufactured alternator. Gonna get in there. We're gonna change my serpentine belt tensioner because I sheared off the bolt last time. And on top of all that, my front crank seal started leaking. Also, I picked up this Celica GTS seat. I took the seat off of the bracket. And I took the bracket off another Matrix, so hopefully in the next coming days I'll be able to graft this Celica GTS seat on the Matrix seat rail so I can have this height adjustability. You know how important that is. Don't say anything. Anyways, that's just kind of what's been going on with me, my family. I'm going to try to continue to keep putting content out for you guys. I want to track these next coming weeks. Maybe we'll call it the Road to ToyotaFest. We'll see if we can get all this stuff done. We're putting out a couple more DIYs on like how to change your alternator, how to change your crank seal, how to change that serpentine belt tensioner, and hopefully it'll help at least one of you guys out. If I help one person, I've done my job. Anyways, appreciate you guys sticking through the update. Keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left.